What is up YouTube? Mip here, MIPMOTO. We are nearly at Box Hill, out with a couple of guys from the Ducati Club. Should be more at Box Hill. I haven't recorded the boring part of the journey, so we are about 10 minutes away, I'd imagine. But beautiful run out through Sevenoaks, Braested, Westerham. Got Multistrada up ahead, got Paggy ahead of us, just ahead of us, Pagger. Beautiful bikes, really lovely. So we shall see when we get here who's up at the top of Box Hill. Hopefully meeting some other guys from the club. Should be some lovely bikes for you to see up here. Look at that Paggy in front of us. That is just so purposeful, that bike on the road. Absolutely stunning looking bike. Don't think we'll go for that. Absolutely beautiful day for a ride today. No low sun to reflect off the visor, roads are dry, not too cold, not too warm. Absolutely fantastic. Seen quite a few bikes out today. I imagine there'll be a hell of a lot more up at Box Hill. Well, here we made it with the boys on the Ducatis. Let's have a look.